What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing our first uninstall leading into an install. Today I'm going to be pulling the transmission out of this car, and I'm going to beef it up. I got some beefing to do on this bad boy. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that. I will see you guys when I get to the dealership. I work at a dealership, so I'm doing it. I'm not wasting my money. Now, while I'm on my way to the dealership, I wanted to extend some gratitude on some of the responses to my first video. I really appreciate all of you guys. Like I said, I got a lot to do. I'm gonna be doing a lot. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say that, but I thought I almost went back into third. You might not hear a lot of me talking in this video. I'm pretty much just going to be I honestly feel like most of it's just going to be a time lapse. I'm just going to time lapse me dropping the trans. You'll see me taking the bumper off, all that stuff, removing the splitter. The splitter's going to look rough. I've had some run-ins recently, which you'll also see me fixing, because a few weeks ago I ran over a fender or a semi-tread on the highway. Absolutely blasted my driver's splitter. Well, it blasted the splitter, and then it blasted the driver's side skirt, and I had to replace them. The fender's a little bent, but I believe I'm going to be able to bend that out a little bit, along with the side skirt splitter as well. But like I said, the splitter got blasted, so that would come with it. But yeah, it's just going to be a nice little time lapse, me dropping the trans. You might hear me talking. You might see, if I have the time, I'll take the case off and all that stuff. We'll see if I've done any damage yet, but it's just gonna be an easy one today. Nothing too much. I'm not gonna be sitting down on a chair that makes noises. I didn't realize that chair made so many noises until I was editing. So we are just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys there. Alright, so I got everything disconnected up top right here. Went ahead and added the hoist, because I'm not going to be dropping the engine with this, but I'm going to lift this car up. I'm going to show you how I take the splitter off, and then we're going to start dropping this.
Seeds in the flower beds like 3 hours in. I've been tending before 7, let the dream that I was in. Swear on set since I was 10. I've been fixed to make amends with the world I felt would hold me back until the very end. I did it, I feel it, my mind it has no limits. I'm spread across the universe in a million tiny pieces. I'm pixelated thinking while I'm element table drinking. All these chemicals I'm meddling with will surely be the end of me. I know I see, but I cannot change. I'm embedded in my ways, I cannot disconnect these waves. I am the puppet master that never felt the strings. Hanging forever, this life is just not what it seems. Riding in the chariot, made of other things.
Alright, I got the subframe out of the vehicle. Now we're going to drop the trans.
Apple turned to buggy, roaches turned to human beings. Fireflies turned to lands, field mice turned to horses. Pull my carriage up, let me out, now I'm nauseous. How could I ever foretold this? Legs on my lap, twin plus to the neck, I'm the burden on.
Alright guys, so the trans is out of the vehicle. Pretty much just got to get myself all cleaned up, get this car pushed out of here so I can work tomorrow. Sadly I work tomorrow, but trans is out of the car right now. I'm going to pull the case off here in a little bit, right after I get this car all set up. So now that we got the subframe back in this bad boy, we're going to get the bumper back on it, get the car pushed out, and then I'll take the case off the transmission and we'll see what we're working with. Yeah, say hello to Tiny Tony. I'm also eating some Wendy's. Everybody comment your Wendy's order down below. Alright, got the bumper on, everything situated. I got the axles resting where I like. So if I had the axles still out of the hubs, they would probably end up pushing the hubs out on their own. So I have the axles all reinstalled, but obviously not on the passenger or driver's side because everything's just like loosely in there. So if I were to show you right here, that's a driver's side axle. It's not attached to anything. I have it bungeed up, so it's just gonna rotate safely on its own. And then, yeah, in a second here, I'm gonna reconnect the power to the car, and then get this thing pushed out. Yeah, I am. There goes Tiny Tony. But all right, guys, I got the car outside. This is where she'll be sitting for a little bit. Battery disconnected. I got it chalked up. Cause I have no e-brake on this vehicle. Power stop. For some reason, they just, when I bought the calipers, because I had to replace the rear calipers when they were blown. Power stop for some reason just didn't want to give me working rear calipers. So they work. The e-brake just doesn't work. But this is how the car is going to be sitting for a little bit. Got the splitter disconnected. Splitter's disconnected. That's going to be remade and refinished, properly waterproofed. All that stuff. I got water damage, and of course I got the body damage from the highway the other day. Fucking for all you Illinois people, comment down below your favorite Illinois highway. And by favorite, I mean the worst one to absolutely drive on. I'll say 80, but that happened on 55. But yeah, this is how she's gonna be sitting for a little bit. Hopefully just about a week while I build up the transmission. But let's go ahead and get inside and check out the transmission. All right, I finally got the case off this thing. I just cleaned up the magnet a little bit. It wasn't too bad. Gears are all looking pretty good. Got a couple marring spots on the synchros. Nothing too bad. I'm not going to be doing anything in this video specifically. Just kind of, you know, inspecting everything so far. I got everything individually placed. Never lose your stuff. Got all my bolts. But yeah, she's out. Ready to start tearing this thing apart. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your Wendy's order. I'm a double baconator kind of boy. So you guys let me know what you are. What you be getting? What you be getting?
I get the ghost pepper burger one.
What you be getting? What you be getting
Number
from
6,
what?
Maine.
Number 6 Maine.
Spicy.
Number 6 Maine. What you be getting from the Wendy's, bro?
Spicy chicken.
Hey, don't be lying.
Then double baconators be hitting.
Them double baconators be hitting. All right, yeah. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna start making this thing. We're about to be adding some parts into this bad boy. Yeah, that's really all I got for you guys. So I'll catch you all in the next one.